Hello, my name is Eleanor Berry, and for my presentation, I have chose to talk about the statistics of college enrollment for 18 to 24-year-olds, which would be considered traditional students in a college setting. I find the information from this statistic very interesting and relevant because I am a college student. And I think it is important for other college students and those involved in university to know the statistics for the percentage of others that are also attending a college or university after high school. The source for this information that I am about to show is credible because it is from a government website and all the information and statistics gathered were received from the 2020 census. Okay, here is my bar graph for the statistics that I am going to be discussing. This bar graph shows the enrollment of students based off of sex and race and ethnicity. So the first section we can see on the bar graph is the male population, and the second is the female population. It can also be noticed that the dark blue-black color is statistics based off of 2010, and the purple color is statistics based off of 2020. And both of the years are being compared in the bar graph. In total enrollment for males in 2010, the number was about 38% of males age 18 to 24 and about 35% in 2020. For females in 2010, it was around 44% of females age 18 to 24 were enrolled in college after high school. And in 2020, there was only a slight change to about 44.5%. For the male totals, there was about a 3% change from 2010 to 2020, and there was a decrease in enrollment for that population. And there was a slight increase in the female population total by around 5%. It can also be noted that there were more female traditional students enrolled in college than male students. In this bar graph, enrollment for ethnicity and race can also be noticed based off of sex. So for the white male population in 2010, around 41% of white males were enrolled, and in 2020, 37% were enrolled. So there was around a 4% decrease between those years. For the black population, around 35% were enrolled in 2010 and 31% were enrolled in 2020. So that's another 4% decrease between. And with the Hispanic statistics, around 28% of Hispanic males aged 18 to 24 were enrolled in 2010 and around 30% were enrolled in 2020. So there was a 2% increase with enrollment there, which is opposite from the white and black populations, which decreased between 2010 and 2020. In the female population of 18 to 24-year-olds, those individuals who were white, around 46% were enrolled in college in 2010 and 45% in 2020, which is a 1% decrease. For the black population, female population, 41% were enrolled in 2010 and 40% in 2020, which is another 1% decrease. And in the Hispanic population of females aged 18 to 24, 36% were enrolled in 2010 and 42% were enrolled in 2020, which is a 6% increase. This information is very interesting, and the one thing I would add is an other category for race and ethnicity. But other than that, I really enjoyed learning about the enrollment rates for college students. Thank you.